Hi, and welcome to another episode of In the Air. Today we're going to travel with contributors Jake and Tim via Alaska Airlines. Let's see how they did.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We've got our aviators on and our In the Air shirts, and you know what that means. Another great trip review.
This is our first of a 4-part series where we fly Alaska Airlines from Medford to Las Vegas. On this first flight, we take you on a Q400 from Medford to SeaTac.
Hope you enjoy the video.
Rogue Valley International Airport was originally named Medford-Jackson County Airport, but changed names in 1994 when it gained international status. In 2018, 1 million passengers flew in and out of Medford. Horizon flew 333,000 customers last year alone, making it the second busiest carrier behind SkyWest, which serves for both United and American Airlines. Recently, Medford received funds to expand from 2 runways to 4. Other than allowing more flights in and out of the area, we're not really sure of the airport's expansion itself. We'll keep you updated as we get more information. If you know or have any theories, leave a comment below. Horizon is adding flights on their E175 for this summer, but otherwise only flies the Q400 north to Portland and Seattle. We really hope they add more routes as the airport grows.
I love how you can use your phone as your boarding pass instead of trying to find a piece of paper. I tried to use my Apple Watch, but it wouldn't fit underneath the scanner.
As previously mentioned, we love going out to the tarmac because we get to see the entire aircraft we're going to fly on. We also love the new Alaska livery on the Q400. What do you think? The Q400 has a 2x2 seating configuration, just like most standard regional planes. The overhead bins are rather small, requiring us to use Alaska's planeside service for even just a standard carry-on bag. While most would complain about this, we knew going in, so we packed what we needed on us in our backpacks. Here's Tim filming the taxi to the runway. He loves the window seat, but don't we all?
Before we even started the channel or flying, we were told taking off out of Medford is always bumpy. As you can see, this was not an example of that. What a beautiful day it was to be in the air. Southern Oregon is very green with large open fields and rolling hills. Having grown up in this area, I enjoy seeing the Rogue Valley from this height. The tray tables are large enough for a drink and a small meal. They're pretty sturdy too. Here are our standard Biscoff cookies. Delicious. The bathroom is located in the front of the Q400. It was very clean and in great condition, as we expect from Alaska. Wait. No sink? At least they provided hand sanitizer, which is sufficient for such a short flight. Our flight attendant was very nice and loved our GoPro setup on the window. She wanted to know more about it because she is a plane enthusiast as well. It's scenery like this that helps encourage us to fly more. You can see Mount St. Helens and Mount Rainier heading north into the Puget Sound. We flew just northwest of SeaTac and approached from the north. We didn't get quite close enough to see downtown Seattle though. We were really looking forward to that, but as we all know, flight paths change frequently. There wasn't much to see on this approach, but it was a great, smooth landing from yet another fantastic Horizon crew.
This 1 hour and 15-minute flight from Medford to Seattle was one of our best so far. We enjoyed chatting with the flight attendants who were interested in the YouTube video that we were going to make. It was a clean and well taken care of interior on a 9.5-year-old plane. We used to be nervous to fly on a turboprop, but now we find these to be some of our favorites. Thanks again, Alaska, for another great flight to start this vacation to Vegas. Having not been to SeaTac in many years, it was great to be back at the very first airport I flew to as a kid. Being on the tarmac to see a special livery was quite the treat. What a great flight. Thank you for watching. Now don't forget that this is the first of a 4-part series.
If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And if you would like notifications when the next video is uploaded, hit that bell button as well.
Thanks guys, another great video and another great trip from Alaska Airlines. We'll see you again soon in the air.